In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 16.9 HD video in Meta AI with just a prompt. To get started, open the Meta AI app and begin a new video generation project. This gives you a fresh workspace where you can describe exactly what you want the AI to create. The most important part of this process is your prompt, because Meta AI relies on your written instructions to shape the final result. In the prompt box, type a clear description of the video you want to generate. If you want the video to come out in widescreen HD format, make sure you say that directly in the prompt. Helpful phrases include 16.9 aspect ratio, HD quality, or 1920 by 1080 resolution. Adding these terms tells the AI that you want a standard widescreen format rather than a square or vertical composition, and that you want the image to be sharp and high quality. For example, you could write something like, create a 16.9 HD cinematic video of a sunset over the ocean, smooth camera movement, realistic lighting, 1080p quality. This is a strong prompt because it includes the format, the quality, the subject, and even the visual style. The more specific your prompt is, the better the AI can understand the look and feel you're aiming for. Before you generate the video, take a moment to review your prompt carefully. Make sure it clearly mentions the aspect ratio, the quality, the main subject, the style, and any camera movement you want. This quick review can save time because if your prompt is vague, the result may not match your expectations on the first try. Once everything looks good, tap Generate and wait for Meta AI to create your video. Depending on the app and processing time, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time to finish. When the video is ready, preview the result and check whether it actually matches the 16.9 widescreen format and HD quality you requested. Look at the framing, the clarity, and the overall composition to make sure it fits what you had in mind. If the output is close but not quite right, go back and edit your prompt. You can add more detail about the scene, the quality, or the framing, and then generate the video again. Small changes in wording can make a big difference in the final output. Once you're happy with the results, simply download or export the video to your device. And that's how you create a 16.9 HD video in Meta AI using just a prompt.